looking for something, searching for something. This person could be an old soul right here. Might be approach niya is traditional classic vibe. I do pick up someone romantic. Yeah. This guy might not be older than you by age, no? Or this woman, Latin gender, no? Might not be older than you sa age. But definitely a very matured one sa pagdating sa kanya ritong pag-iisip, no? So, bongga tayo doon. So, alam mo natin what else and who is this person here. Let us, but there's that positive vibe that I'm feeling already. So, I do see na parang pwede na natin yung gamitin assurance or guarantee na itong reading na to ay something positive. So, let us see. Okay. Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Oh, someone here is look at that. He or she is definitely looking at yun, no? Swak to sa ating sinasabi rito na look at that, this person here is looking sa inyong direction and you are appearing as this, okay? Nine of Coins energy, yan o, mga babes, no? Okay? Kasing lagkit mga babes, no, kapag dikitan kayo sa MRT. Kasing lagkit na mga pawis, no? Yun ang pagkakatingin niya sa inyo, no? Malagkit ang kanyang mga tingin dito, no? So, we have here the King of Wands energy looking at you. I'm gonna explain it to you further, no? Maya-maya lamang. But let's see, look at that! See? You know what, I'm picking up that song, no? Yung kanta ng Itchy Worms, no? Yung energy ng akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang, you know? So, kasi naman tong energy na to, definitely may bahay ka naman, pero parang gusto ka niyang iuwi. Ganun yung vibe, no? Mamaya sabihin ko sa inyo bakit, no? This is a house na pinapakita sa atin right here, no? In our vision with this 10 of Coins energy. Let me see more. Okay, so just take how this resonates. Look at that. See, this person is also embodying inside his or her characteristics, no? Yung King of Swords. Mamaya explain ko yan sa inyo. So we have here this Six of Wands, Eight of Coins, Knight of Swords. Wow. Bottom of the deck, Moon card energy. Okay. Six of Coins and the Seven of Coins energy. Definitely, kakaloka siya. So, hi and hello there, collective. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. And sa aking mga returning tambayers, thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang pagtambay and support for me. At yun nga, kung hindi niyo pa knows mga mahal, meron pa po tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. So, if interested, just click that link para ma-redirect din kayo doon kung saan nag-upload din po tayo ng collective readings for all signs. And yun nga mga babes, no? Wala tayo ditong gender. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat po welcome. Pwede nyo rin pong i-switch or pagpalit-palitin yung mga roles dahil possible talaga yung mangyari kasi sa itong general reading. And at the end of the day, everybody, meron kayong free will na free nyo pong gamitin anytime, anywhere. And yes, mga babes, no, wala rin po tayo ritong time period. So, pwedeng ito ay nangyari na. Like, nangyayari naman sa iba ngayon at sa iba ay mangyayari pa lang. Kaya naman, just take only what resonates. So, here, meron dito mga babes na may bahay naman kayo pero parang gusto niya kayo ritong iuwi. Maging malinaw tayo, hindi po siya dito pervert, hindi po siya dito maniac, hindi rin po siya dito mga babes, no, kidnapper, pero iba yung lagkit ng kanyang mga tingin dito sa inyo, no, pero hindi yung manyakis or whatever, ha. So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, this is someone here who could be a boss type of energy, not bossy, but a boss type of energy. Meaning to say, maganda yung kanya ritong kaperahan. High chance na meron rin siya ritong mataas na rank or rango sa kanyang trabaho. Sabihin natin, pwedeng manager siya, pwede rin namang supervisor siya, no? Or maybe this person here is handling people under him or her, no, under ng kanyang supervision. So, yung iba naman, pwedeng siya ay may negosyo, entrepreneur, no, pwede rin naman na higit sa isa or multiple yung kanyang pinagkakakitaan dito or yung kanya ritong way of earning a living, no. At meron din siya rito, no, na properties, no. Yung properties, kahit ano yan, pwede rin kasi na may sarili siya ritong pwesto, kanya talaga yon, like hindi niya yung inuupahan, especially kung meron siyang negosyo. Pero more likely, nakikita natin dito, this person right here, parang meron siya ritong pinapagawang bahay o nakatayo na, tas bahay niya talaga yon. Okay? So, kaya kung sino man siya, mga babes, no, it looks like yung bahay na yon, no, is parang mas magiging makulay at mas maganda kung dun daw kayo titira. Yun talaga nakikita natin dito, no? So, yun ay isang desisyon that with this King of Swords energy, no, nakikita natin dito sa energy niya, that this person right here is taking full responsibility to take actions, no, to make this happen. Ang alinis yan, ang maiuwi ako sa bahay niya. You know, I'm not saying that this is right here, you know, a one night stand or whatever, no, hindi. Ibig sabihin lamang nun gusto kanya ritong maging may bahay or gusto kanya ritong maging haligi ng kanyang tahanan. Wala tayong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT. Kung sino man ito, gusto niya rito, no, na makasama kayo sa kanyang world, no, tumira kayo sa kanya ritong mundo, sa bahay niya. Yan, no, gets niyo ba? So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, ibig sabihin, this person right here is someone, no, na nakuha mo talaga yung attention niya, no. So, ikaw 'to na wala kang kamalay-malay 'no, na meron na pala rito 'no, na name-mesmerize by you, nag-e-enjoy dito just by looking at you 'no. Alam mo kung anong natutuwa siya sa inyo, yung pagiging youthful vibe ninyo. Ay teka miss yan, paanong youthful vibe? Paano 'to may edad na ako, nasa 40s, 50s na, I know 'no, pero kasi wala tayong age dito. Ang ibig sabihin ng youthful vibe, kaya nga vibe yun, ibig sabihin 'no, kayo ito na regardless of your age, anumang age bracket ninyo, mapanasa linya man kayo rito 'no, ng early 20s, 20s going to up to anong edad na yung pinakamatandang nanonood dito, youthful vibe, ibig sabihin you are happy with what's going on around you. You look so lovely, you look so contented, you look happy, no? Sa mga nangyayari sa mundo mo, no? And this person here, sa'yo siya nakahanap ng relaxation. More likely kasi medyo stressful yung mundo niya. Hindi yung stress na ang dami niyang problema sa pera or what Ibig sabihin nun, parang marami lang siyang ginagawa. Trabaho here, there. Pwede rin may mga, sabi ko nga sa inyo, may mga multiple siya rito pinagkakakitaan from what I'm seeing. May mga connections din siya with other people and more likely marami-rami mga business partnerships yon. So talagang may pag-angat ito sa kaperahan, no? So nakikita ko dito na kung sino man tong energy na to, no? Ang pera hindi problema po sa kanya. You know? Kaya kung sino man siya rito, no, with the star card energy, beautiful energy, may pagkahangad sa kanyang energy rito at mas lalong tumitindi, no, ang kanya ritong pagtingin sa inyo, no. So you are someone here, no, na sobrang attracted po siya sa inyo. Yes, ikaw. Ikaw na nanonood ngayon, nakatingin dito sa screen, no? At pinakikinggan ang napakaganda kong boses. So yun nga, no, going back right here, this person here will definitely take responsibility. Full. Full, no? Meaning to say 101% responsibility to make things happen, no? So nakikita ko dito that this person right here will put all the work, will definitely check on your background because this is someone here brand new, someone that you haven't connected yet in love, but you pick this person's interest. And this person here, for some reason, no, gives me this type of lovely feeling na while looking at you, parang nawawala yung pagod niya, yung stress niya. You are like that cooling effect, alam mo yon, no, na parang kahit sobrang init ng panahon, no, para ka ritong isang ano, no, napakasarap na juice na punong-puno ng yelo. Yung pag ininom mo so refreshing. Ganun yung energy niya rito. No? So, it looks like you are a breath of fresh air for this person here. So, kung sino man siya, okay, regardless kung gaano ka na niya rito sinusubaybayan, tinitingnan, this person here is someone na hindi naguguluhan when it comes to his or her wants and when it comes to his or her likes in life, no? So just like what he or she is doing with his or her own personal life, nakita ko dito organized siya sa trabaho niya, sa kanya ritong pinansyal, sa kanyang connections with his or her family, friends, no? So I do see that this person right here is someone na, yeah, medyo busy yung kanyang world, but however, ikaw yung parang nakita niya rito na parang gusto niya, no? Medyo ang kanyang circle of friends maliit lang. So meaning to say, pwedeng konti lang yung mga pinagkakatiwalaan niyang people, although marami siyang connections when it comes to his or her money dealings. However, gusto kanya ritong mapasok sa kanyang mundo because you are someone here na nakikitaan niya rito ng potential, no? To be his or her wife or husband in the future. At kung sino man siya rito, alam mo yung parang wala kang kamalay-malay, no? Someone is already smiling. Someone is already feeling good just by looking at you. And you are busy right here. You're looking away. You're looking into something here. You're looking in your personal life. You are someone here enjoying yung mga nangyayari sa paligid mo without even knowing that there's someone here looking at you na pala, that there's someone here na nami-mesmerize na pala by you. So this is you. You are someone right here like clueless for a lot of you. That there's someone right here na ganito na pala, no, katindi yung tama sa inyo. Akin ka na lang daw at kung pwede ba, no, na kanya na kayo ritong iuwi. Yan, no. Kaya kung sino man tong energy na to, this person with the 8 of Coins energy might be baka katrabaho niyo siya, baka boss mo siya, baka meron siya rito mataas na rank or meron siya ritong say when it comes to decision making sa inyong pinagtatrabahuhan. No? Kung sino man siya, this person here will surely do everything to sway your emotions and feelings. Okay, and this person right here will definitely push or pursue whatever actions it is na kailangan niya raw ditong i-take in order for this to happen because this is his or her wish. Okay, parang siya ito na hindi lang ako dapat dito magdasal at humiling kay universe na mapasakin dito si collective. Kailangan gumawa din ako ng paraan, Miss Yan. Yes, I know. Because with this Knight of Swords energy, this person right here, no, hindi niya hahayaan na yung mga angel guides, hindi niya hahayaan si universe lang yung gumalaw dito accordingly, kundi siya ay magte-take full responsibility at gagawa rin ng mga necessary actions to make your heart talaga ma-fall in love sa kanya. So, bongga mga babes, no? And with the moon card energy, 6 of Coins, 7 of Coins energy, tell me, this person right here will definitely spoil you with a lot of things, no? I know that you are not materialistic, but this person here will spoil you at kaya niya yung gawin. If you want to go somewhere, if you want to have that vacation, domestic man yan, or even overseas, no, na yung iba nakita ko dito, mga travel, ano kayo, no, mga travel buddies kayo, mga gusto ninyo mag-travel, no, at gusto ninyo, no, kaya lang talaga yung pera lang talaga yung ano problema sa inyo. So, ito na, no, this person here will spoil you, no, at hindi mo yung kailangan banggitin because this person here, bago mo pa siya rito makilala, alam niya na ang iyo ritong full background. No? So, alam niya rin that you love traveling. So, this person right here will take you to places that you will surely love. And those places, of course, no, is aalamin niya rin yan. No? So, if you want to go to, Europe kind of thing, if you want to go Asia, yan. No? So, bala kayo. This person here can take you there, no? Without even mabigat sa kanya ritong bulsa or wallet, no? Dahil kaya niya kayong spoil with a lot of things. And travel, na, pati food. Mga babes, no? Lahat yan, i-spoil na kayo rito. Ano gusto ninyo? Steak? Araw-araw? Then, kaya niya rin yung i-provide sa inyo. This person here can give you that life that, hindi lahat is natatamasa. No? But with this one is someone in a very high pedestal. Someone looking at you and you're so clueless, no, that this guy right here, that this woman right here, that this LGBTQs, of course, you're welcome here as well, honey, is so much talagang attracted sa inyo. So I do see that this person here will definitely create movements and will show you as of now. Wala pa siya ritong ginagawa because he or she is still sitting right here kinukuha niya pa yung lahat ng mga other informations about you here, sweetheart. The foods na mga favorite mo, drinks, okay, everything about you. So, ano to, Miss Yan? CI ba to? Oh, parang sini-CI na rin niya kayo rito, 'no? Bakit? Hindi para malaman kung may mga parang may mga nakaraan ba kayo na hindi maganda, hindi gano'n, 'no? So, kahit lumabas yung mga ganyan, kung may mga ganyan kayong issues, hindi yan makakaapekto sa kanya. Ang more likely na importante sa kanya rito, 'no, is yung ano ba yung mga wants mo, ano ba yung mga gusto mo, ano ba yung mga bagay na puwedeng makatulong para mapansin mo siya, 'no, at makatulong upang, makapagsimula dito sa mga actions na gagawin niya to meet you fall in love. So definitely, this is the person right here who will definitely spoil you with everything. So even if you will not say anything, alam niya rito, no, ang lahat ng gusto mo bago mo pa ibuka ang bibig mo, mga babes, upang sabihin ng mga ito, bongga. So claim these beautiful messages right here for you guys. For some reason, I'm picking up this strong number 5. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, na this person definitely right here is someone na puwedeng birthday niya yung 5 or baka maging special number ninyo yung 5. Just take how this resonates. But 5 is the spiritual number of pagbabago. So, definitely this person here will make that pagbabago at ilalagay niya rin yun sa kanyang mga hands or kamay. Tutulong siya rito kasama ng kanyang mga angel guides at kay universe, no? So, see, someone here wants to make pabilis this mga pangyayari, no? Just to be with you na. And para masimulan na ito, no, na lovey-dovey journey ninyong dalawa. So, again, mga babes, no? Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I'm so excited for you guys. That's why I'm so happy, no, reading these messages for you. So, again, I'm Yuriana on me for the girls and Diana Nuna for the boys. Thank you so much. Sarang Heyo, love and light. And